What's up, guys? We're going back to the Northampton ponds today. Gonna check the thickness of the ice, see if it's safe enough to walk on. It's been pretty warm this week, so not really sure how much ice we're gonna have, but hopefully when we get out there it's good enough to fish. I don't have any shiners or anything like that today, so I don't think we're gonna be using tip-ups, but we're gonna be using the spoons, doing some jigging. Hopefully we can get some fish. We'll try a different spot today. Today's January 7th. I had to buy my new 2017 fisherman's license. I didn't get my hunting license yet. As soon as I do that, we'll be able to get some coyote videos to you guys.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright guys, we're gonna do some jigging out here. This seems like a pretty good spot. I've pulled some nice bass out over here before, so we'll give it a shot. We just got a little spoon here. I always swap out the hooks on these because the ones that come on them are always crap. There we go. Alrighty. Tiny little pike. Alright, relax. Alright guys, nice little pike. There he goes. So this rod is a Shakespeare Wild Series 27-inch medium action rod. It takes 4 to 8 pound line, but I actually have 10 on here right now. And this isn't ice line either. This is just regular fluorocarbon. This line does freeze up pretty good though. I spoke too soon. Nice little crappie. The reason we switched spots is because I'm not getting a lot of bites over there and this camera's about to die. The cold is just sucking the battery life out of this. We were just over there, so we're only about, 50, 60 yards from where we just were. And the reason I'm sticking to this shoreline is because there's a lot of vegetation here in the summer. Bait fish like to stick where there's a lot of protection. Places with vegetation and stuff like that, so a lot of those predator fish like bass and pike and those kind of fish, you're always going to find them there. So this battery's dead, guys, so that'll do it for me today. So we're just getting off the ice. Just got back to the apartment, got some charge in the GoPro so I could film an outro. I spoke to one of the fishermen at the lake. That first fish that we caught that I misidentified as a pike was actually a tiger muskie. They stocked that pond with tiger muskie about 2 years ago. And he said that people have pulled out, 44-inch tiger muskie out of that pond, so maybe I'll start targeting them. That would be a pretty cool video. But we also got that crappie. He was a pretty good size, but overall kind of a slow day. Unfortunately, this snowstorm outside, you know, has the roads going pretty slow right now. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.